Kuveka Learning Hub!
Hello little learners. Are you ready to learn body parts? Let's point, touch and have fun together. This is my head. Let's touch our head. Touch, touch, touch. These are my eyes. Can you blink your eyes? Blink, blink, blink. This is my nose. Can you touch your nose? Touch, touch, touch. Let's sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. This is my mouth. Can you smile? Big smile. Let's say hello. These are my ears. Can you touch your ears? Touch, touch. Listen carefully. Can you hear the music? These are my hands. Wave your hands. Wave, wave, wave. Now clap. Clap, clap, clap. These are my arms. Stretch your arms wide. So big. This is my tummy. Touch your tummy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. These are my legs. Let's march. March, march, march. These are my feet. Tap your feet. Tap, tap, tap. Let's say all the body parts together. Head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hands, arms, tummy, legs, feet. Great job. That's all for today, my little learners. You just learned 10 body parts today.